Today, we're out here on the Mississippi River. It's fall, but it's definitely not too late in the fall. It's October, but the water temperatures are still in the 60s yet. We just started having our first few cool nights yet, where the water temperature was steaming a little bit this morning, but yet it hasn't really cooled down a lot. And the big thing that's going on right now out here is just the water is super low. Haven't had a lot of runoff this fall. What that really does is it just kind of congregates a lot of fish. When the current slows down, there's obviously less areas with current or even with a lot of current, and so it kind of sets fish up right towards the main channel where they're a lot easier to access. And at the same time, there's a lot of wing dams on a lot of the sections of the Mississippi River, but it really slows down the flow, and it really kind of puts it on maybe every so often a wing dam that sticks out the furthest, or one that's getting the current the most. And so it gets a little less intimidating this time when you have low flow, just because it really kind of makes the river a lot smaller. There's not as much current in as many areas, and those fish gravitate towards that current.